in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeast Pennsylvania, central Warren County in northwest New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Harmony, or 6 miles east of Easton, and moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Roxburgh around 3:45 p.m., Chatham around 3:50 p.m., Belfast around 4 p.m., Bangor and East Bangor around 4:05 p.m., Penardsel and Wind Gap around 4:10 p.m., Saylorsburg and Stormville around 4:20 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Warren County, New Jersey.